get it. I mean, as we're all aware, there's been a huge supply chain issue that's been affecting the nation, the entire world for that matter. I mean, the entire world for that matter. What it's done for the car dealerships or car dealers, it's taken our inventory supplies way below normal levels. Most dealers, that's what it's done. So because of that supply and demand issue, our prices had to change as well. Let me ask you this, is it a ridiculous idea with the way the current supply and demand is for us to go ahead and change our pricing model based on those current market conditions? And the customer can't really, they're probably gonna say, no, but I don't wanna pay $7,500 over. Then maybe you can get a negotiation. Maybe, I don't know, maybe, okay, well, will you pay $77,000 over? I don't know. The point is that, again, it puts us in a lot better position than just saying, hey, we got other dealers that'll pay us more. We can make more profit on them, but we're willing to take less for you. Okay.